But hey, let's just go ahead and take a look at these. Are they dirty again? Hey, what up guys, Peps Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. And today we have that one box from the Epic React unboxing. The one that we didn't choose, the one that we just pushed to the side, we didn't pay attention to it. But today we got it, and of course, I know what shoe it is this time. Today we have the Air Max 180 Ultramarine. Marine, right? Because Marines, you say Marines like that, no, not Marines. Either way, this is more like a retro, like an OG colorway for the Air Max 180, which this one actually retails for $130. And for me, I ended up paying about, it was actually $138.13 with taxes, because from Nike I get free shipping. So that's pretty cool about Nike and having a Nike Plus membership. Alright, so OG Nike box as well. Again, $130 for these. I don't think that's a lot for this shoe. I paid more for the Air Max 270. And once again, I got these from Nike or from the sneakers app, and they are still available as of the recording of this video, even on my size. Actually, they're available in all sizes, which is kind of weird because this is a really nice shoe. And again, it's like a retro shoe, so I don't know. It surprises me that they didn't sell out on some sizes. But hey, let's just go ahead and take a look at these. Are they dirty again? See, I'm starting to get used to doing this every time I open a shoe. I don't know why. Okay, let's take it out the... Oh. Okay, these are OG. This is some retro stuff, man. Alright, there you go. Now it's more clear. This is some retro stuff. You have the suede over here right away. The air bubble over here. The 180 degrees of air bubble that Nike, you know, back in the day, they were revolutionizing the game with that air bubble. Let's go ahead and take the other one out. I don't know. I think this is funny. Like, it's like the first retro shoe I've bought in a while, or really in a long time. Like, I'm more of a new generation, new waves. Once again, I got these from the sneakers app, but I'm pretty sure I checked online and there's other websites where you can cop them. So if you guys, you know, look at the video and you're like, oh, I want to cop it, just go ahead and check the description and I'll be linking a bunch of websites. But now let's go ahead and start taking a look at these. I mean, right away, the 180 degrees of air right there. You got the bits of stitching on the Nike swoosh. Can't speak. The only weird thing I have about these is that I could see my dad wearing them. I don't know why. Like, there's like a dad shoe in a way. I don't know. 180 air over here in the tongue. Again, the material in the tongue, some old school stuff as well. Midsole, all white midsole with 180 written. I don't think you can see it over there, but there's a 180 written on the part of the midsole. Right above it, Nike, and then swoosh, and then air. All in one, you know, straight line over here in the heel. Over here by the middle, there's actually a little bit of mesh, which of course allows for more air to come in and freshen up your feet. You know, a little bit of plastic, kind of hard. Actually, there you go, you can even hear it. It's a little bit harder. And then over there on the inside of the shoe, you got Nike, the swoosh, a glove, and then more, you know, international at the bottom. Kind of nice detail, really old school like stuff as well. Actually, over here in the sole, you have Nike written right next to the bubble right there on the outsole. But I think that's actually it, guys. Again, really old school shoe. So holding them like this, again, they look like dad shoes, but I've seen a couple pictures on feet. So how about we go and see how they look on my feet and how I would wear them, and maybe that will give us a different perspective on them. All right, starting off with the jeans look. This is a really casual look in my opinion. I like it. Not my favorite, but I like it. It's not as chunky. The shoe's not as chunky, I mean. And then moving on to the sweatpant joggers. This is my favorite one. Really athletic, really relaxed. It's still a little bit chunky, but not as much. And then the shorts. I'm not 100% sure. I like the one with the long socks better, but even then, I'm undecided. I don't know what's been going on with Nike, but once again, they're kind of dirty. They got a little bit of dirty over here, like... See, if I get my sneakers, I want them to be brand new, like clean and everything. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you liked it. And if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. But yeah, once again, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Peps Moneybags. Out.